Namaskar.
There are so many issues nowadays with the knees, and many of us can't sit in Vajrasana, but still we want to do asana. So, how we can go about it, let us see. And let us try the asana for good health and for improving the strength of our knees plus back plus sciatica now. So, for that, just sit comfortably, fold the left leg and press the heel on perineum muscles, which is also the location of base chakra, Mooladhara chakra. Our folded upper leg is in
60 degrees from this side, and maybe you can call it as 120 degrees from the other side.
yes, and then with the breath, raise your both the hands up, look up. Breathe out, first lower back palm press, and then chest. Do slow and complete movements. Then touch your both the hands flat on the ground. Farther from the body, stretch your face up, eyes gazing ahead, doing pranayam, experiencing stretch on shoulders, put the arms, lower back. With breath, raise your both the hands up. Breathe out and change. And remember, in between when we are holding the posture, we are not holding the breath. We have to do breathing minimum 3 times and maximum build up the strength by adding one breath in that final posture, in that final asana. Both the hands straight ahead, looking straight ahead. Eyes are widely open. Doing 100% pranayam. With breath, stretch up complete. With breathe out, bring the hands down. This way we should do asana 3 times for stretching and energizing full body and doing pranayam. For balancing that front bending posture, we are going in back stretch. So there is comfortable distance in both the legs so that our hip socket will be properly opened. Yes, and then fingers turning in and adjust the distance of your hands from the body because we are raising the back up with breath. Breathe in, raise the back up, make it flat, and then head going back, looking at the ground.
Ensure that your feet are firmly on the ground and your fingers are inside so that you don't slip. And try to take the mid portion up as much as possible. That is how you do the breathing also in the final portion.
With breathe out, come down and bring your hips down. Then again relax for a while and adjust the posture once again from the first step to last step. So both the legs are parallel to each other. They are not in front, they are not going too much on the side, they are parallel to each other. And then repeat the asana, and we should do 3 times as I say, with the breath going up full. Stretch your head back, do long breathing in this posture, abdominal breathing. Let your stomach go up and go in. It's giving some pressure and massage to L1 to L5. And with breathe out, bring the body down. This way we have done the balancing of energy, front bending and back stretching for internal systems plus our backbone, abdominal organs. And then after front bending, back stretching, we should go on twist also for energizing complete vertebra. So my left knee is up. So left hand straight going up. Holding the knee and ankle and then turn back. Look back. We are looking at the wall, not at the ground. With the breath, stretch your hand up. With breathe out, come back in normal natural posture. So as we know, we have to balance the energy. So your leg is straight. Whichever knee is up, opposite hand going up. Then holding the knee, ankle, and this hand, it's coming in line with the leg. Both the shoulders are twisting turning and coming in line, and that's how we are energizing, strengthening both the lungs, respiratory system, plus giving pressure on stomach, both the kidneys, adrenaline. That way balancing insulin in the body to maintain the sugar level. It's good for cervical, it's good for lower back. It is one of the best posture for even sciatica now, because it is such a good stretch for energizing our sciatica now. So if we do like this in combination, all the 3 steps, 3 asanas, we get 100% benefit not only on physical body, also on the mind.
It's actually, we keep talking about the shoulder or the liver or the pancreas. It's actually the overall body. And when you get a complete toning up of the body, the muscles, your own self-confidence will go up very high. Glow on the screen will increase. And most importantly, you will feel that you are rejuvenated. Keep
Doing
watching.
something and a very special thing for self, that gives the confidence and happiness.
Keep watching the videos which we put on our channel. Subscribe that by pressing the bell icon. See you with next video very soon. Namaskar.